In this session, we're going to cover how to navigate through Course Creator on the Morph dashboard. So begin by logging in to training.morphlearning.com with your username and password. As a reminder, that was emailed to you. Now, you may have a different URL depending on if your company has a private label, so you might want to use that. But log in with your username and password. If you need help with that, shoot us an email at support@morphmedia.com. And then click on Admin. And then we're going to go to Course Editor. So this is where all the courses are stored, where they're created. And in this session, I'm going to actually show you a bit around Course Editor. So over here, we have our import Word document, which we went through in another video. And then down here we have all of our courses, and our courses are listed in alphabetical order. This is a primary system that I'm logged into, so we have a lot of courses in here. And so you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you'll see grayed out courses. So these grayed out courses are courses that have been disabled. We never actually delete a course on the Morph system. And the reason why is because many of our clients, course providers, as well as our companies that we work with, have a lot of compliance courses, and the compliance courses go through a lot of regulations or different policies and procedures that a company may be going through or educating on. And so if a company is examined by a state auditor or regulator, or perhaps they have a legal issue where they have a sexual harassment case and they want to be able to prove that they actually did conduct sexual harassment training, but maybe something was covered in an older version and it was updated in a new regulation, you can always go back and pull those older versions. So what it does is it protects you, the company, and provides that version. So we always save versions. We never delete. If you want to restore a version, you just click on Restore, and now that will be restored. If you want to delete a particular course or disable a particular course, then you can do that. How you do that is by just clicking on the course. And then over here, we're going to click on delete or disable. And so that will do that. And then if we want to restore it, we can restore it. And we're going to click Save. So, but it's always right down in here. So you always have access to it. It just happens to be grayed out. And so now we have it right down in here. And we can have access to it later on. So now let's see what versions look like. So we click on Versions. And now this will tell me all the versions that were created. So this one was last updated Sunday, January 31st. Sunday, January 31st. But it gives you all the timestamps. So you can see every single time there was a change made here. And then over here it actually shows you what was changed. So you can go in and you can say, oh, well, this was crossed out. Go down here, what our changes are. This is information that was added, so anything that's underlined was added. And we can actually do a comparison here. So if we want to go back to this, and if you want to restore that, so say you made some changes, but you want to go back and go to the previous, then all you do is restore that, and that's going to put that back in there. So that's what versions look like, and we'll go back. And if you want to copy a particular course, so let's say you want to copy this course here and use it as a base and maybe add some items to it. So maybe you started out with a longer course and you want to condense it down to just a quick start course, then you can copy it, and it'll copy it and it'll show as a copy. So everything will be in there, and then you can click on the copy and open that up, and then you can start working on that copy. And I'm going to cover how to actually create a course in another video. I just want to show you it's mostly on the left-hand side here. So that covers our versions, that covers how to copy a file, and that covers how to access your disabled files. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to shoot us an email at support@morphmedia.com. We do have user guides available that have been provided to you as well, that are also integrated within the system and sent on your welcome. But if there's anything we can help you with, please let us know. And in another video, I'm going to show you how to actually go in and create a course. And if you need any additional information, please visit us online at www.morphmedia.com.